What's up, guys? Today we're going to be unboxing this condenser microphone. I believe it's from Widesen, and it costs around $22 on Amazon, I think. Alright. Pretty basic packaging. Yeah, it's a USB mic. Alright. So, here's the manual. And here's a pop filter. As well as this thing. I don't really know how we're going to figure out how to assemble it. Here's the cable. Here's the mic itself. And here is the tripod stand. Or, I don't know if it's called tripod. Whatever. The stand. Alright, so let's try to figure out how to put it together. Alright, I assume the manual will help with this. The manual will not help with this. Okay, I guess we'll just figure it out. Let's start with the tripod. Or the stand. The stand. I don't even know if it's called tripod. Whoops. Sorry about that. Alright. Here's a stand. Pretty basic stand, but looks just fine. Alright, next we've got the mic itself. Very nice. Nice feeling, at least. It's got a volume adjuster, and then the Widesen logo. Alright. And we got this thing. If I had to guess, this works something like this. Yeah. Yeah, it looks like it. Alright. So we screw this in, I think. Or not screw, just like twist it in. Alright, and then we got this. So that's pretty easy to put together, actually. Alright.